Hi everyone, we're going to try the Bloom again because my Australian Floetrol has finally arrived. So I've just got this little canvas here that we're just going to test. You know, we're just going to use it as a test canvas. So I've got some house paint here, and it's pretty thick. Look how thick this is. And yeah, it is pretty thick. So I'm going to be putting this down. This might even be too thick, I don't know. Like I said, I'm still learning this technique, so I will get it. Eventually I will get it. And there are definite pieces in this paint. Oh, here's a big piece. Look at that. Anyway, it's just a test piece, so it's fine. So into that, I am going to put my first color. Now, again, if this works, I mean, we can only hope. If this works, I will show you how the paints are mixed. If this doesn't work again, then I guess it's back to the drawing board. Right, first color. It's a lovely coppery color. Okay. Into that one, I will put some of this pink. Just stir it up before you put it in. Okay. And on top of that, we'll put in one last color, which is one that I've just mixed up. Oh, to get these lids off. Yeah. They're really tight. This is a beautiful metallic blue. Look at that color. Gorgeous. Put some of this over the top. Okay. And finally, on top of that, we will put the cell activator. It's making a halo, which my last cell activator was not doing, so that's a good sign. And I'm going to try and blow it very carefully with my little mini blower. If I can just get this nozzle off of it. I'm sorry, I know this video is not, you know, a good quality or whatever video. I've just finished work. It's dark, it's raining. I'm very unorganized here, as you can see. But I couldn't wait to come and try again now that my Australian Floetrol has arrived. It did take a long time to get here. Okay, alright, let's see what happens now. It's working! I don't believe it, it's working. Did you switch this thing off? It's actually done it. It's worked. Look at it. It's working. I can't believe it. Really, all I needed was Floetrol and voila, it's working. Now, obviously, I'm going to need to practice the blowing and, stuff like that. Let me see if I can just blow here. I don't know. I'm not very good at that yet, but maybe I can, because I've seen people do this. You just take it and, just make a design like that with it. Like this. Okay, well, let's spin this out anyway and see what happens. Oh, I can't believe it actually worked. I'm very excited. This is just a test piece, but at least I know now I've got the recipe right. Let's spin it and see. I didn't tie it down. Look how pretty it is. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's try spin it again and see if I can just maybe just like that. It's not really moving anymore. You see, maybe I didn't put enough pillow paint down. Maybe my pillow's too thick. I don't know. This is all stuff now that I can play around with. But at least I know that I've figured the recipe at least. Okay, well, it's really not moving now. Look at it. Oops. I don't think it's moving, do you? I really can't tell. Yeah, something seems to be happening. Well, anyway, I'm leaving it like that. So it looks okay. I'm not sure. I can see a lot of the pillow paint has come through, which I don't suppose it's supposed to. Like it's made these cells, and the cell color underneath is the pillow paint. But but there's definite indication of bloom, you know, with those beautiful patterns there. So, okay, I mean, it's all right. It's, at least I'm starting to get what I'm supposed to be getting. So it is a start. I'm just going to need to try and figure out why the pillow paint is coming through. Maybe the colors aren't mixed 100% right. I don't know. Right, but there we go, everybody. I'm happy. I'm happy that it did more or less what it was supposed to do. I'm happy, because as you saw with my previous attempts, it didn't do anything. It just, not at all. So I am happy that I got some lacing, and yeah, we'll just keep trying. That's all. I'll see you in the next one, everyone. Bye.